Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going down there pretty fast. Let's go.
Yep.
Tom, you brought me, mate.
It's a bit mental, isn't it? It's a bit.
When he says he's got a surprise for me, yeah, it's not a box of chocolates or anything like that. It's a white knuckle ride. So, we have just pulled over, and there's this most spectacular. Well, I'll let you see for yourself. Hello everybody, welcome back to Sean's World. Now today you find me in Germany. This is the beginning of our road trip. We're in Freiburg and we are just on the edge of the Black Forest.
I think we should get it started with a quick camper tour, do you?
Certainly.
Where did we get the campervan from?
Good question, Tom. You organised that.
Yeah, from Rent in Freiburg. We said we'd give him a little shout out. Give him a shout out. The guy was really helpful.
Fantastic service,
great service, yeah.
And a real lovely campervan.
Yeah.
So let's give you a little tour. So welcome to our humble abode. Right, as you can see here, we've got the bedding area, loads of shelving above and below.
Great comfortable mattresses.
Yeah, we had a really good night's sleep, didn't we, last night? It was fabulous. We got fridge, we got cookers. So, what do you think of the city, Tom? Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, Freiburg, yeah, it's a nice city. It's a green city as well, so it's very, eco-friendly.
Loads of trees, isn't there?
Yeah, it seems very livable as well, like people enjoy themselves.
Everyone's happy.
Everyone's friendly.
Yeah, everyone's smiling.
Yeah, great place.
Yeah, we're kind of on the edge of a hillside. It's hard to sort of tell.
I mean, you wouldn't think that we're like 20-minute walk from, a city centre.
It's a brilliant city, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a laugh. We had a couple of
stiff neck last night looking up at all the buildings and all the dates. Some of them date back to, well, Middle Ages.
Had a couple of beers, didn't we, as well? And
just a couple.
Had a good laugh.
It was a long journey here, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, we got her in the end. Didn't really feel like filming.
No,
did we on the way?
We was exhausted. We just ate something, had a few drinks, and then
we needed to get everything sorted before we started filming.
But we got an exciting day ahead today.
Yes, we have. Yep, right. I've got some surprises in store.
Brilliant.
Yeah, right. I'll just say, hold on to your hat.
Okay. Right, did I bring one? Right, let's catch that tram.
Yep.
So we're waiting for a tram now. Never been on one in Germany before.
Here comes the tram.
We're getting on this one?
Yep, we need to take 6 stops and we'll be in the city centre.
Right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Wow, check that out. That's fabulous. Oh, the aroma.
You got food now. It smells of...
First it was flowers, now we're going into food. We're in Sam's Cafe. Hello dear, thinking of you.
Try reading the first one on the menu. If there's any German viewers,
I apologise in advance.
Let's get Dad's take.
Grober gemischt salad.
I promise he hasn't had a drink this morning.
I think I better have one. No, I'm not going to try and pronounce anything. Well, most of them thankfully speak English, so it's a big help for me.
Yeah, more so than France.
Definitely, yeah, I've been really took back by how beautiful this place is.
Yeah, definitely.
People are so friendly.
I think it's it's an underestimated travel destination, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah. And the market is fantastic. Just wish I could, buy some plants in it, but can't. Might be able to buy some other produce though.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Okay, let's try finding something to order, eh?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
This looks delicious. What we got there?
This is what you call a continental breakfast.
Yeah, a proper one.
So ham, salmon,
salamis.
Got one of these.
Don't forget the eggs. Yeah, I think they can show the French a thing or two. That scrambled egg. I thought I'd say that.
Maybe a present for Mum.
Yeah.
Got a honey spoon, that could be handy.
One of these?
No, honey spoon.
Oh, one of them?
Yeah.
Got me honey dipper for my honey at home. So we better get going now. We've literally got to make tracks, Tom. We're off to our next destination. That's a surprise, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't know where I'm going.
I think you're going to enjoy it.
Right, let's go. Let's catch that tram.
The speed limit is 50 miles per hour.
On the road again. Lovely roads, by the way.
Yeah. The road trip is well underway.
Oh yes. Tom, what you brought me, mate?
Well, have a look at this, everyone.
Oh my word.
This is a bit mental, isn't it? It's a bit. First time I've ever been on one of these chair lifts.
Yeah.
There you go.
Really looking forward to this.
It was quite a sudden. You know, you sort of just had to stand there, and then the chairlift sort of moved, didn't it? Like,
yeah, it just scoops you up. There's no getting out.
Scoops you up, yeah.
No running off.
No, and look at this for a view. It's the town of Tottenham now. Oh, mate, I'm looking forward to this one.
Yeah. Yikes. Is that going to be us? Bring it on. Oh, certainly a surprise, Tom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going down there pretty fast. Let's go.
Yep.
Tom, where's your hat gone?
Well, you know about, I said to you this morning, hold on to your
Hold
hat.
on to your hats, you didn't.
I didn't, and it came off, so, yeah, oh well, part of the experience.
For the calls, mate. For the
Yeah, it was quite good.
Yeah, it was brilliant. Yeah.
You was a bit of a snail, weren't you?
Yeah, I was a
Just
little
going
bit
quite
slow, yeah. I'm older and I, more delicate. But yeah, really exhilarating, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
Blew the
good
cobwebs
fun.
out.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Glad
Yeah,
you...
we managed to make it before the rain as well, which is
Oh, it's packed there, isn't it? There's loads of people. So yeah.
definitely if you're in the Black Forest region. I
Give
think
that
it's
a go,
called,
yeah.
Steinvassen Park. Right, what's next? I think maybe get some lunch,
Drink.
maybe get a drink somewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
And,
Brilliant. Fabulous place.
yeah, let's go.
Right, well, while we was hurtling down there, we got some photographs. We can tell that Tom didn't have his hat on at this point, so he'd lost it beforehand. That's how fast he was going. I was going a little bit slower, but I enjoyed it nonetheless. Yeah, fantastic place.
Lucky your toupee didn't come off there, didn't you?
Yeah, I glued it on extra this morning. I knew you had something up your sleeve today. When he says he's got a surprise for me, yeah, it's not a box of chocolates or anything like that. It's a white knuckle ride. Anyway, I enjoyed it. Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Well organised.
Yeah.
Kept that one quiet.
Yeah. So I think next we're going to Lake Titisee.
It's easy for you to say. I'm not going to attempt it.
Titisee.
Right, okay. Have you got something planned?
I mean, it's just like a small little town by a lake, so maybe explore, maybe you know,
bit of unwinding.
Yeah, see what's there.
Chilling
maybe,
out.
yeah,
Very nice.
Get
Yeah,
some
look
of that
forward to
first, maybe.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe get a pretzel.
Yeah, we've indulged in the local food, haven't we?
Yeah.
All traditional food,
Yeah.
so yeah, lovely breakfast. Yeah, it's a great day.
Yeah.
So we have just pulled over and there's this most spectacular, well, I'll let you see for yourself. Well, you brought us now.
Look at this.
Oh wow, look at that.
I don't know about you, but I just want to dive in.
Dive in, yeah.
That looks amazing. Doesn't it?
Yeah, well spotted, mate. We're in the middle of the Black Forest and what a beauty spot. Yeah. Look at this. Stunning.
Kind of want to get under there and have a shower. tempting.
So who knows what else we're going to find on this road trip.
Your guess is as good as mine, mate.
Yeah. It's an amazing place. Lots of things to discover and find.
Yeah. Really enjoyed it so far. Black
Definitely,
Forest.
yeah, it's brilliant. Beautiful country, Germany.
Yeah.
Been here before, but not touring like this. Highly recommend it. Right, we're gonna spend a few moments here, I think.
Yep.
Just to savour the moment. We're gonna head back on and on to our next destination.
Dad's gonna have a bit of a wash under the waterfall, I think.
Yeah, you don't want to see that. So we are here, we're in the beautiful, idyllic, I suppose it's a tourist destination of Titisee. Now it's on the edge of the Black Forest. And look at this lake.
Yeah, so this is Lake Titisee.
Titisee, okay. No jokes, Tom.
Okay.
Right, we'll be walking around the main.
Yeah, the main town's that way. It's a little bit noisy.
Quite busy, wasn't it? So we've sort of come to one side, so you know we could do a bit of filming.
Yeah, there's a digger, isn't there? So it's a little bit noisy.
A little bit of construction work going on, but it's a fantastic place. I can't tell you how well. You'd be judged for yourself how beautiful this area is. It really is nice. So we've maybe got a storm coming.
Yeah, as you can probably see on the camera.
Yeah, it's come over very overcast. People are all
starting to
disappearing.
rain a little bit. Yeah.
So
we might have to find a Titisee bar.
Yeah.
to pass the next few hours.
Certainly can do that. But we'll have a walk round. There's some boats over there and all riverside.
Pedlars, but yeah, I don't really fancy going on
pedlars. I've had enough exhilaration for one day. So.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I could find a new hat.
Yeah, you lost your hat, didn't you?
Yeah.
Quite a unique feel, this.
A bit touristy for my taste.
It's a little bit touristy, but most of them are gone now.
Yeah, because the weather's changing.
Yeah, I mean, we mix it up a little bit, sometimes a little bit tourism.
Look at this interesting sign over here.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a story to be told there. I would have gone in, but it's getting a little bit choppy out there.
Yeah. What about going out on one of the boats?
They're all coming in now.
Yeah.
So I don't want too much excitement in one day, Tom. So we're looking for somewhere to eat.
Yeah, I think maybe let's have a look at some hats.
Some hats?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll put it on for a bet.
Oh look, it's Indiana Jones.
No, more like Paddington Bear. Keep your sandwiches in there. You get him on, Tom?
Yeah, I mean, let's have a look, eh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Let's have a look. Anything to look good on you, mate.
Shut up.
Looks cool.
It don't. Hair's a mess. Don't think so. What about little motifs on the side?
Oh.
Fancy. What do you reckon?
Oh yeah, you look very, very dashing, mate.
I look like a handsome young German man.
You do. Like a pirate.
Definitely not. Looks like someone's curtains, though. You know, like the tassels on the curtains. No, it might be the hat hunt might have to continue for another day.
Okay, mate, we leave it there.
Let's get a pint, eh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I read that feeling you're going a bit cuckoo.
One fly over the cuckoo's nest.
Yeah, look, they're working. We're in the Black Forest.
Yeah. So these are cuckoo clocks, of course.
789, 900, 1,000. Works of art, though.
Yeah, I mean they're all mechanic, aren't they? Like the little people running in and out.
Yeah. Go to the Rolls Royce. 2,500.
I had a car for that.
Ja. Catapults. Don't go much on their barbecue exhausts.
It's a fly swat, Dad.
Well, these are nice. Maybe my viewers would like the chance to purchase a few of these. Maybe I'll bring some
Black Forest.
Yeah, straight from the Black Forest. Maybe I will buy some of these and put them in my new website shop so that the viewers can buy a little bit of the road trip.
And what's the name of the website?
Welcome to SeansWorld.com. Yeah, so yeah, okay, well we'll have something to eat and we'll come back and I think I'll buy a few of them. They're rather nice. Brilliant.
What kind of wood do you think they are?
I don't know, I'm going to have a closer look once I put the camera down.
I'm saying chestnut, I guess. Maybe they're not dark enough. Maybe walnut. I don't know.
Possibly. So we think we've found a very nice restaurant.
Well, I don't know about very nice, but yeah, it's sort of what we're looking for.
Traditional German food.
Yeah, I want to try a bratwurst
Okay.
in Germany, and it kind of looks like the place.
Right.
You can find a sausage in Titisee.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Keep it
PC.
Yeah.
Nothing. Didn't say anything wrong. Everything's factual.
Looks delicious. What have we got, son?
Yeah, this is currywurst, so it's basically a sausage, German sausage and curry sauce with French fries, which they're called pommes frites in Germany, which is spicy, which is French for like frites, so it's a copy of the French. So
Looks delicious.
We finally found the sausage in Titisee.
Right, okay.
Without further ado.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you all for joining us. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe. It helps the channel, that's right, Tom. And we'll see you all in the next video where we will be going to Switzerland. See you in Switzerland. Bye for now. We are going to try to get by on less than 50 euros a day each. Very picturesque, but if these roads get any smaller, Tom,
We're in trouble. Oh, we're going to sleep well tonight, mate.
Yeah.